Hey, this is a Husqvarna 450, fairly new. It's the Jubilee model. It's got the little Jubilee thingy on the side. 50cc. This one's fitted with an 18-inch bar. And today, wife's going to start it up and take it down. There's a couple of trees that blew down last week and a bit of wind down the paddock. And other side of the water hole down there, we're going to chop them down. Put it, chain brake on. Okay. Choke, decompressor, a couple of pumps in the primer, and give it a couple of pulls until it just starts to start. Okay, choke off, and you should start.